considering. Trying to get a fire going in the stove here. Alright, this year I've managed, even with my illness, I've managed to keep this trail open. I had plans on doing some overnighters and whatnot in the shelter, but we had a wicked windstorm a few days ago, and bam, took down my support tree. So right now this one's kind of hanging with all the sloped logs on it. This one got bumped off of its post, so I'm gonna have to take some of that snow off there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here yet. My support is gone. So I'll probably have to get the four-wheeler together, and hopefully the winch and the engine work, and I'm gonna have to probably I can winch this back into place and then go over it with the cable hooked to this one and winch it up, and then I'll have to dig down and support it. I can strap around this tree, cut this out of here. I can use that tree for posts on the end. So that's what I'm thinking. So a little bit of emergency, but I don't think it's going to collapse quite yet. We've had quite a bit of snow already, over 2 feet of snow, so let's see what we can do. Alright, I'm going to see if I can fix this. Like I said before, this has to come back into the notch. This one has to get lifted up. It's kind of coming down here. And then I'm gonna have to cut this off, cut the tree, make a couple posts out of the far end, and dig down there and try and put a post in here, strap it to it. Should be fun. Got the four-wheeler freshly rebuilt by Chris, thank you. Hopefully it continues to work. I got the winch, so I think I'm all set up. I'm gonna give it a shot. Like my shovel, eh? I'm gonna have to like grind it off here. I'm gonna go grind this shovel off. Hope it works better. Okay, I got a little better shovel. The other one I cut it off, but yeah, this one's better. I also got an axe. Up against here. Okay, now you can see the notch that I cut out there. That's better. The inside of the shelters survived rather well, considering. Trying to get a fire going in the stove here. Huh. I cut this piece off here that's in the way, I think. That's, emergency repairs, fun, fun, fun. Don't want to go. Now we might have to leave it on that one. It's actually 1.5 inches higher. But this one's definitely going to need some support. Wow. I'll take some snow off the back roof there, I think. That was fun. And now it's starting to snow. Oh joy. Well, what am I going to do here now? And the fire's going real nicely. Could actually cook something if I had anything to cook. And if I was going to stay down here, but I'm pretty beat already. It seems to stand with that little block in there, so I'm going to leave it like that for now. And when it stops snowing, I'll cut up that tree into a couple of posts and get a post in there on top of that stump. So hopefully that'll work. Hasn't really worked yet. Oh well.